Hello students, welcome to session number 15 in module number 2 in energy engineering. So here we are going to discuss about storage and pondage. We will study what is storage and what is pondage. Okay. Storage. So storage means collection of water in reservoirs, in the upstream reservoirs especially, to increase the capacity of the stream over an extended period for several months. Okay, for several months. Storage plants may work satisfactorily as base load and peak load stations. Okay. The water is stored in reservoir for continuous is used for continuous power generation throughout the year, and the power generation is not affected by the variation in the rainfall during the year. So it is by constructing a small barrier for the flow of water you can able to, barrier means dam, you can able to store. Okay, so it is here a considerable amount of excess runoff during seasons of surplus flow for use in dry seasons. Okay, that you can able to get the advantage. This is accomplished by constructing a dam across the stream at a suitable site and building a storage reservoir on the upstream side of the dam. So the excess water is stored in the reservoir during rainy season. Okay, storage plants may work satisfactorily as base load and peak load plants. Okay, there are two types of storage. One is the storage of water is provided for 1 year only, considering losses also, so that there is no carryover water for the next season. The water is stored so as to be useful even during worst dry periods. Okay, these are the two types. Next is pondage. Pondage may be defined as a regulating body of water which is in the form of relatively small pond or reservoir provided at the at this plant site. Okay, so it is pondage means collection of water behind a dam at the plant and increases stream capacity for a short period, that is for a week. So this is one sketch. This sketch explains about pondage. The generating capacity of the plant is less dependent on the flow rates of water available, and the plant with pondage is more reliable than the without pondage. Okay, so a runoff river plant without pondage uses water as just it comes without storing. Okay, so there is no control on flow of water, so that water is wasted during high floods or low floods. The plant capacity is reduced during the low runoff period, and the capacity of pondage should be such that it should take care of at least if you are or if you are R to R fluctuation in load on the plant throughout the period. Okay, this is about pondage.